What time is it? Say it with me. Summertime. Except it's summertime forever. Every day is summer now. I never have to do homework again. I wanted to celebrate my very last finals week ever. I wanted to celebrate finishing up my very last homework assignment ever. And today I am going to go check in to Disney's Riviera Resort. I just want to relax and renew and really just have like a day slash night to myself to really soak in the ending of this chapter in my life and the beginning of a new one. So let's go check into Disney's Riviera Resort and have ourselves another cutie little Disney sleepover. Let's go. This resort is literally beautiful. So I just parked. I'm in the west parking. Oh, sorry, my rainbow is in the way. I'm in the west parking, but I need to figure out where my room is in case I need to actually go to the east. I've already checked in though. I was able to do the online check-in this time, so my room is ready. I've been getting like texts from Disney. Welcome. Your room number is blah blah blah, 5th floor. Oh no, I'm on the east and I parked in the west. Okay, so we're actually going to go to the other side. So just for context, the west is right by the Skyliner. The east is by the beach. So JK, let's go to the east. Why is this like embarrassing? Guys, this is so heavy. This is like a full-on arm workout. Guys, this room, just wait. Also, see this? Room occupied. Nobody please break in. Thank you. We're here. We're in the room. Oh my gosh. This is so... I'm speechless. We do have a view of the parking lot, which, you know, isn't the best, but also I kind of love that because if I was overlooking the guest areas, like the pool and stuff, then I would feel awkward about sitting on my balcony. Now I can sit on my balcony and nobody's gonna be looking at me. Do you guys want a little room tour? I think it's time for a little room tour, so come on, let me show you around. So this is where you walk in. This is the door. And I just feel like I should say, since we're doing a little solo staycation, I have the deadbolt on, I have this locked, and I have the do not disturb outside. Please, nobody disturb me. Thank you. Okay, so then you walk in, and this room is so spacious. So I believe I got what is called, wait, what's like? Huh? Oh. So I got what's called a deluxe room, I think. So it's a little bit bigger than a normal room. Last time I stayed here, if you guys remember that, we were staying in a tower studio. So this room is a lot more spacious. There's like 3 different beds in this room too. It's just me, but I guess I have 3 different beds to choose from. And then you walk in and then you have the closet. Ta-da! Comes with a safe. The little thing for my suitcase. I guess I'll put my suitcase in here maybe. Extra pillows, blankets, a steam iron, and a vacuum, question mark. I don't think I've ever seen a vacuum in a hotel room. That's very fun. And then here is a door to connect to the room next door. I'm pretty sure I've already locked it. It comes unlocked, so just beware, but I'm pretty sure I locked it. So then you walk in, and then to your left you have the bathroom. The best part about the Riviera has to be the bathrooms. So I get a shower. Let's step in. Oh my gosh. The lighting though. And then it comes with the H2O, shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. They seem to have gotten a makeover as well. I have not seen this look yet. There's a weird echo in here, I don't like it. And then you walk into the main part of the bathroom, which again, the bathrooms at the Riviera is literally half the reason that I love to stay here. Because the lighting, the gold, everything, I feel like this is possibly the vibe I'd want for my future house. It's just so beautiful. You got a little makeup mirror. My dress keeps falling down, by the way, so I keep having to. Another really cool part about staying at the Riviera, or like, I guess a more expensive hotel, is that you do get a free Disney H2O lotion. When we stayed at the Pop Century, they didn't have it, and I remember I was so sad about it. So like, is it worth paying more money just to get a free H2O lotion? In my eyes, yes. This smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It is literally the best smell in the world. I'm pretty sure you can just buy this though. That probably is more cost efficient, but I'm so glad that I get another one. And then I also get a bathtub as well. And again, the beautiful everything. And look at the shower curtain. It has hidden Mickeys right there. And then the full length mirror is right as you come out of the bathroom. And then I actually do get a kitchenette as well. So there is a microwave. There is a new kind of coffee maker. I was so proud of myself for figuring out how to work the coffee maker at Pop Century, and coming into this resort I was so excited to get my hot coffee and do that again now that I'm like a pro. And now we have a new type of coffee maker and I don't know how to work this. This is the kind of coffee maker that like my parents used to use growing up. We might not be having any hot coffee during this trip because I don't know how to work this. But there's a fridge, lots of storage, plates. And then here's the coffee things. It's the same Joffrey's blend, but it's like a different way to put it in. Yeah, I don't know. I might not mess with this time around because I'm just not sure how it works. Paper towels, yeah. Ooh, and we even have a toaster. And then as you walk into the room, this is the bed. Look how cute this is. There's a little Mickey and the bed is beautiful. This stunning. Cute mini artwork on the side. And then here is the lounge area that comes with a couch. And then I believe this pulls down to be another bed. But I also believe that this pulls down to be another bed. Yeah. And that's why there are drawers right here, so I can, that's like my dresser is right here. Okay, very cool. And then you have the TV. I need to find the remote. Found it. Oh, this is fancy. This is like a big TV. I feel like this is bigger than what I'm used to. I'm not sure. And then there's a little seating area. And then last but not least, let's go outside. This is my view. Honestly, it's kind of beautiful. Even though it's like the parking lot view, it is kind of beautiful. Just lots of greenery. And I get 2 little chairs. We love a balcony lighting. I'm a little scared. The clouds look kind of scary, kind of dark, but it's okay. Ooh, the chandeliers here are so pretty. Like, look at that. Incredible. The lighting's gonna be a little bit dark, but let's turn on the TV. The remote looks a lot fancier than other resorts. I don't know if the TV is any different. It's a smart TV. Is that normal? Welcome, Nelson Party. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Press select on your remote to get started. Oh my god, I can watch Happily Ever After on demand. We did not have this in Pop Century. Oh my gosh, we're going to Alani. Let's go. Okay, what else can I do? So I can AirPlay. So potentially I could watch Friends. That's all I've wanted to do. If you didn't know, I'm watching Friends right now for the first time. There's a channel called Disney Hits where they play Disney music. Starting the chores and sweep to the... My room is so cute. I was listening to Disney Hits, taking pictures of everything, but I'm afraid it is going to rain. That's what the forecast said. I'm so sad. It said it was clear, and now it says there's a 50% chance from 6 to 8 of rain, and there definitely are rain clouds out there. We are going to go run outside and try to get a picture. I really wanted to get a picture in front of the buildings, so we're gonna try to get any outside pictures we need. And also it's time to get a coffee and possibly a little snack. So we're gonna do all of our outdoor adventures and then we'll come back to the room. So let's go run and try to get a cutie little pic. Oh, I just ran into the this thing. Oh, that hurt. That's definitely gonna leave a bruise. Beautiful little area. Well, I guess I didn't find it because I've been here a million times. I knew it was here. I got a few pictures in front of the pink flowers. I thought it'd be really pretty. Also, I feel like you can significantly notice that my hair is darker. I did get my hair done the other day and I posted a TikTok about it, how it kind of looked the exact same, and I was a little bummed, and all of you guys pretty much agreed with me. Like, it looked good, but it looked the same. But like, I don't know why, but it actually looks darker. Like, specifically today, I'm noticing that it looks darker, and I like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's still clear skies though. It is still a beautiful day. So I think it's time to go back upstairs to Le Petit Cafe and get some coffee. And then I'll probably come back outside and just take advantage of the beautiful weather until it rains, question mark. So let's go. Clouds. On this side it is dark, and on this side it is light and beautiful. You guys, I had to come to my favorite area that I always come to anytime I come and visit, and oh man, this sky is just truly, it's kind of terrifying. You have blue skies in sunshine over the Caribbean. You go a little bit further and the skyliner is stopped, and then you see the darkness just like creeping in, and you come over to the Riviera. I mean, this looks like a movie. I kind of feel like I'm in a movie, and like the Riviera is like the Beast Castle or something like dark, like the villain's castle. Oh my gosh, I do think I'm probably about to have to like run inside, but I'm trying. I keep seeing the same lady, and every time I look over, she's walking that way. She must just be doing a little back and forth, because every time I see her, she's in the same spot. Is this a glitch? But like walking away. I had to come over here before it starts pouring on me so I can show you guys my coffee. I got the toasted almond latte. It actually wasn't on the menu. They had the toasted almond glacé, which I believe is the frozen version, so I just asked for it in latte form. And I got it with oat milk, and it's so good. It's so good. I already tried it. I'm so sorry. It's so good. It kind of tastes like a pumpkin spice latte. Maybe I'm just really craving fall. We literally, deja vu. We already had this whole conversation. This is terrifying. Guys, I actually probably should go. This is terrifying. Like, nobody's outside. The winds of the east. What is that from? In the winds of the east. I think that's Little Mermaid. This is terrifying. I mean, look at this. Anyways, latte, 1,000,000 out of 10. Oh, I did hear a huge thunder.